searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
Even if your teacher slap, I know your food teacher slap. So, join me as I cook supper. Today I'm the one in the kitchen. Yeah, who knows what will happen. First I want to drink some water because where they see joto.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
My food. Okay, though that salt was enough. Turns out it's not that enough. It needs more salt. Nitaongezea baadaye. Tuongezea just nini inahitaji salt. But chakula iko sawa. I'm proud of me. Can I be real? Okay, since I stopped vlogging, I forgotten because I was not used to it. Sikuwa nimezoea kuvlog, but at least I was getting the glimpse of it, of how to do it. But right now, I'm having a hard time getting back to the routine of how I used to edit, how I used to vlog, how I used to everything. I'm like having a hard time. Even my last video was like, damn, I'm really, really struggling with this. But even enough, hapo mi nilijimess, which before I noted I had a progress, but right now I'm struggling really much to reach where I wanna reach. But ain't shida. I'm gonna learn and I'm gonna be good at this. I'll be that good at it. Let me eat. I'll talk to you guys later.